Good morning children, welcome to the EVS subject. Today I am going to the new topic, lesson number 7, clean habit. You know children, all of you, in this lesson, clean habits, in this lesson we are discussing about the parts of the body and the importance of the cleanliness and habit of cleanness. Okay children, you have already the previous classes, what are the parts of the body. What are the parts of the body children? Children, which part of the body do you see? If you look into the mirror in your home, you have many body parts, no? So, here one boy given in picture. You have write the parts of the body. Okay children? So, you will write the first parts of the body, correct part of the body in the boxes. So, here see children, first one, hairs. Next, ears. Next, eyes. Next, mouth, hands, fingers, legs and toes. These are the parts of the body. Parts of the body, many have to body like shoulders, chest, stomach, knee and thighs, etc. These are the parts of the body children. Next children, the parts of the body and learn about their works. Which part of the body do this, which work, So next you will discussing. Children, see here the pictures of the parts of the body. What is the names? Eyes says, who am I? Eyes. Nose says, who am I? And next, mouth, how am I? So see children, there is a different questions for others. So eyes and nose says, who am I? Mouth says, how am I? Because mouth is very different to the eyes and nose. And next, ear says, helpful to you. And hand says, helpful to you. And leg says, helpful to you. How children helpful to you are we? So, eyes help us to see. Okay. Eyes help us to see. Okay. So next, eyes are black. Eyes are black and also white. And eyes have water. I have lids. Lids, children. Lids means eyelashes here. Eyelashes to protect our eyes. So eyes, avoid the dust from getting into your eyes. Don't rub eyes when dust fall into it. Show it to your elders or your teachers. Okay children? So eyelashes have a lid. There are the protect to our eyes. Eyes is very important children and sensitive part of our body. Okay? So next children, nose. Nose have 2 holes. Help you smell. Okay children, help you smell. Without a nose, you cannot breathe. Okay, and nose is the dust enters our nose when we walk outside. Hence, clean your nose every day, children. Don't put the sticks or pencils, children, into the nose. So be carefully. Okay. Next one, ears. So next one, mouth, children. Mouth need to talk and to eat. Without mouth, you cannot even laugh. This part of the body work this one. Okay, and clean the mouth with water as soon as you get up in the morning, before and after every meal. Okay, clean our mouth, children. Yeah, because if we will not clean our mouth, the bacteria will ruling our teeth. So always clean our mouth. Next, ears. Next, ears. Ears is so children, ears help us to listen everything around us, and should not put inserting the sticks or choppies because it will hurt us. Next, hands. Hands. Without the hands we cannot do anything, and hands very needed food also. No. Next, legs. Jumping, skipping, running and hopping. Okay, to take you to the school for show and help you work and also play. You dance and learn because hands, leg is here. It's called leg is very important. There are toes in our legs. So that the shapes of the fingers and toes are different. It is possible to walk with one leg, children. No, it is not possible to one leg. So both of the legs we needed. Okay, children. We need both the legs to walk. These are the parts of the body. So which one work do? So next page, children, match the parts of the body with their work by drawing lines. So children, you will match the which part of the body, so which work will do. Okay, so column this A and column this B. Column A is the parts of the body and B is the which work do these things to related the parts of the body. So first one, eyes. Eyes is what do you? Watching on TV. Next, hands. Hands will write. Nose, smell. And ears, listening. Mouth, singing. And leg, ride the bicycle. Okay, children, do you understand? And match this. Okay. So here, children, look at your hand. Count the numbers of the fingers in your hand. So observe the children's fingers of the same size. Same size? No. What do you see in your hand, children? There are fingers shapes. There are different shapes of our hands. Now the names of the 5 fingers. Children, see here the thumb. This is a thumb. And next, index finger. Next, middle finger and ring finger and pinky finger or tiny finger. Okay, pinky finger. These are the different shapes of the fingers and different names of the hand fingers. Okay, children, do you understand these are the fingers? Children, see here some of the pictures. So one is the brush our teeth, bathing and washing our hands before meals, cutting the nails, combing hairs, and after the bath you will ready to go to school. These are the picture observing and related to the some questions. Children, first one, what do you use to brush your teeth? Why you use to brush? So clean our teeth. Okay. Next one, what do you use to cut your nails? Nail cutters. Usually, commonly, we all are used to cut the nails. Nail cutter is called nail cutter. Next one, what do you do before having your breakfast? We are washing our hands before having your breakfast or after breakfast or after lunch, after supper. Now washing our hands. Okay, what will you do as soon as you come home from school? Do our homework. You know children, these are the pictures observing and related these questions will answered. Okay, do you understand children? So these are the daily habits. Okay, so next children, these are the habits of the both of doing. So these all members are doing the habits healthy. Children, these are the habits is healthy. Children, so you also develop such a habits. It is necessary to develop the good habits to healthy. If you do always healthy. You know children, understand this? These are the good habits. So next children, another one activities here there, some given the pictures. So mind these actions means as a, so brushing your teeth, first one brushing your teeth, which materials will use? So use the brush, toothbrush. Okay, next combing hair, we will use the comb. Next bathing, after the bathing we will use the towel. Next wiping the body. Okay, next washing face, we will use the washing, after the washing face we will use the cosmetics, creams, powder. And next cutting nails or terminating nails, we will use use the nail cutter. Okay children, washing the hands, we will use the water. And praying, these are the use the Bibles, Quran, these are the materials we used in our daily life. Okay, okay children, do you understand? These are the things you will use or we will use daily in our life. Okay, I hope all of you understand this lesson. Yeah, clean habits, and one time you will do these habits. Okay children, one time you will write the lesson and match the following also you will practice. Okay children, bye.